Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix iPhone apps not downloading problem. How to solve it. Step 1. Sign out and sign in to Apple ID. Go to settings. Tap on your Apple ID. Scroll down and sign out. Enter your password when prompted and confirm it. Sign in again with your Apple ID. Step 2. Check screen time settings. Go to the settings homepage. Tap on screen time. Go to the content and privacy restrictions. Tap on allowed apps. Make sure all apps are allowed. Go back. Scroll down and tap on content restriction. Tap on apps and ensure allow all app is selected. Step 3. Check App Store setting. Go to the settings homepage, tap on App Store. Tap on App Downloads. Make sure Always Allow is selected. Step 4. Use flight mode and restart. Enable flight mode. Disable flight mode and reconnect to the network. To turn off all network connection, restart your iPhone by turning it off and then on again. After completing this step, your issue with apps not downloading should be resolved. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.